Hello everyone, and welcome to episode 58 of Form Guru series by MakeForms. I am Pratik, founder of MakeForms, and today we are going to take a look at how you can embed your one at a time form in SquareSpace. So we'll quickly go into the design. We'll check this looks good. Like I have the same kind of color scheme in my SquareSpace website, so this is good. So what we'll do is that we'll quickly publish this form, and as soon as we publish it, we will be taken to the sources tab. So now in the source tab, I will create a new embed. We'll select here embed your form, and then we will go for the JS embed. And over here, we'll change the widget setting to Squarespace embed, and then I will click on save. As soon as I click on save, I will get the option over here that says source saved. I will now click on get embed code, and here we have two codes, the head code and the body code. Now we'll go back into our Squarespace website and we'll click on add block, and then the option we will search for would be embed. So here we have an embed option. I will click that. If I want my form to take up this entire space, I will select how big my form will look like. So this is it, and now we'll click on edit. So we will get an option that says link embed and code snippet. We'll go for the code snippet, and here we have something called as embed data. So I will click that, and now I will copy the head code, paste it here, and then I will also copy the body code and paste it right down here. And now I'll go click on back, and I will hit save. So as soon as we do that, we will be able to once we exit, we will be able to see our embed working. So here you can see that our one at a time type form kind of form is now embedded perfectly in our Squarespace website. You can now go ahead, you can click on edit, and here you can adjust the height or however you want to place it. You can just do that very easily. You can save it and then exit, and you will be able to see your form embedded perfectly. So this is how guys you can embed your forms in Squarespace very easily. So that's it for today. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of forms do you want me to build, or what kind of issues do you have when you create forms, or if there is any particular CMS that you want me to embed your form into, or an automation tool that you want me to connect make forms with. Please let me know, and I will try my best to take that topic up in my next episode. So that's it for today guys. Pratik here from Make Forms. Bye bye.